short video on our tree kicker install, our elbow kit. Super simple stuff. You just need a T40 and a 3/8. This is a actual 3/8, not driver bit, but you can just use a socket. It's not really a big deal. So first thing, grab the T40. You're gonna remove the factory hardware out of the frame. Be 6 of these on a 2-seater and 8 on a 4-seater. Just get those out. They'll be not used. And we're gonna swap our tool over to the 3/8. Grab a screw and a bolt. So there's a couple different ways to do this. The way I like to do it is I like to get down where I can see it. I hook it in there, and I can actually, that way I can look through the hole. I can look in, use this light, so you can look in there and actually see the hole once it gets lined up. You just snug that, don't need to be crazy tight. Make sure it's in there and it's actually holding it, and it holds it in place. That easy. And pretty much,
you mind if I see one of those real quick?
Pretty much gonna,
I'll give you a quick demonstration on being able to see through. Once you slide this in, that hole right there, you should be able to line it through with that visible hole as well. You can barely see it where it lines up, but right there it is. That simple.
see, that one's still a little loose.
The locks are in place and allows you to slide in the tree kickers once installed.
So a magnetic one of these 3/8 definitely helps on the install for sure. Sometimes your plastics are going to shift a little bit, so it makes it a little harder to see the hole. Like I said, getting down and sliding it. Another trick you can do if you have trouble with this is actually take and before you put the bolt in there, take this screw, run it in there and run it back out, and it'll open up the hole just a little. And sometimes that's all it takes to make it a little easier for people that haven't done it so much.
Yep. It's still one of the methods I use. It just makes the hole a little bigger and allows you to be able to see in there a little more.
So next we'll actually put the tree kicker on there. Super simple. Set it on the bolts. It'll actually just sit there by itself. Grab the nuts. They thread right on there. These are close on the bottom, so sometimes you might actually have to start threading them on there, or maybe pull it out a little bit to get them all on there and work your way down through there, because they are really close to the bottom of the kicker. I just don't want to act right. Probably not holding my mouth right.
Okay.
Yep, so like I said, get that started. You just grab a 7/8, tighten that down, and that's complete.
That's it. We don't have a 7/8 at the moment to show you, but plain and simple, easy installation, don't take fairly long. Literally it took us not even 5 minutes to grab everything and get over here and throw these on here.